Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, the place where we turn simple treats into something truly special. Now, we all know Chinchin tastes amazing, but what about the packaging? Especially if you're selling or gifting them. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you two super easy and affordable and attractive ways to package Chinchin without expensive machines. And guess what? You probably already have everything you need at home. Stick around because the second method is a game changer for anyone looking to sell Chinchin professionally. Plus, I'll be sharing a bonus tip at the end that could save you money and keep your Chinchin fresher for longer. Let's jump right in. For this first method, all you need is your packaged Chinchin, your 2 metal spoons, and a candle that you've already lit. This method is preferable for home bakers or those just starting a Chinchin business. Super affordable, no fancy machine required. First, you pack your Chinchin in a plastic bag. Then place the first metal spoon in front and the second metal spoon at the back, making the Chinchin nylon to be in the middle. So you gently place it on top of the candle that is already lit. So you gently place it. While doing this, it will gently seal. So this is how I'm doing it. You carefully do it. So this is it. You see how neatly sealed it is. This is how you seal your Chinchin. So what I did next is trimming off the excess. If you're loving this simple hack, go ahead and hit that like button. Have you tried this method before? Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. So this is it. You see how neatly packed it looked. This is the reason why you need a little space before sealing your Chinchin. So I did the procedure again. This is how you do it. Carefully and gently do it. So the second method now will be heading over to the second method. The second method is perfect for sealing Chinchin, for gifting or for sales also. It's going to make your Chinchin last and very refreshing. I'll show you how to make it professional and attractive with a simple twist. So this is it. You see how beautiful the candle method is. So I always trim off the excess to make it look very neat. So we're heading straight to the second method. When you try this method, you see how perfect and neat your Chinchin it will be. So this is the second method. I trim off the excess because the nylon was a bit longer than the quantity of Chinchin I needed inside. So I let a little space be in between the Chinchin and the nylon. I fold back and forth. You see how I folded it like 3 so that it will be airtight. And now use the stapler. I placed the first pin in the middle and I went straight to placing the second pin at the left side of the nylon, and also I'll be placing a pin at the right hand side of the nylon, making it airtight, so there is no way air will enter this Chinchin no matter how long it stays. So this is how you do it, making it look very beautiful and lovely. Which method do you prefer? Spoon and candle or staple method? Let me know in the comments. If you run a small business, I would love to hear how you package your Chinchin. So the bonus section here, why packaging matters for your brand. Remember, packaging isn't just about keeping Chinchin fresh. It's the first thing your customer sees. Beautiful, clean packaging can increase sales, make your gift more special and even help you stand out online. So don't skip this method. So there you have it. 2 easy and affordable ways to package your chinchin like a professional. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you have found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more amazing tips like this. Until next time, stay creative and keep making those delicious treats. Bye for now.